Welcome to this video on the advantages of Netmaker, a secure and sovereign virtual networking platform designed for modern infrastructure. Modern organizations operate across distributed environments, but many still rely on outdated, legacy solutions built for the past. These legacy solutions introduce performance bottlenecks, operational overhead, and security gaps, struggling to support the demands of modern workflows. A modern solution must be highly performant, enforce zero-trust security, and support diverse use cases and environments. Netmaker is the zero-trust platform that gives organizations full control and sovereignty over their infrastructure, connecting their users, clouds, and edge networks over a high-performance encrypted overlay. Netmaker serves as the solution of choice for IT operations, amongst both traditional and modern solutions. This is because the Netmaker platform combines data ownership, zero-trust security, performance, and flexibility to provide IT with a comprehensive solution that meets modern organizational goals. Netmaker enables the latest in zero-trust security, featuring strong encryption, identity management, device posture checks, and access controls to minimize your attack surface. Data sovereignty is core to Netmaker's design. Unlike pure SaaS models that require trusting a third party with your sensitive data, Netmaker gives you the option for full ownership of both the control and data plane, helping you meet compliance and regulatory goals. Netmaker is also 8 to 20 times faster than standard alternatives. We achieve this through peer-to-peer connectivity, latency-aware routing, and dedicated traffic relays. Flexibility is built right into Netmaker's design. It enables multiple integration options, network topologies, and granular device controls to handle diverse deployment requirements. The Netmaker platform supports 3 key use cases: providing secure remote access for employees, interconnecting sites, and managing edge devices. Organizations that use Netmaker have benefited from improved performance, simplified operations, stronger security, and increased operational flexibility. In summary, Netmaker allows you to replace legacy VPNs, connect infrastructure, and enforce zero-trust security while maintaining full control over your data. To learn more, visit our website at www.netmaker.io.